We're in a blizzard.
We're in a blizzard. Where are we?
We're in Kansas City.
When is it?
It's Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve.
It's gonna be a white Christmas.
It's gonna be a white Christmas without you.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones they always wished for. Where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Look, over here is the house. There we are, our house with the blue lights in there. Yeah, there it is.
There's our neighbors' houses.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful snow.
Look at that beautiful house in the snow. It's Christmas Eve.
Yes.
Look at the snow.
Turn of the light.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Praise the process.
Praise the process. Yeah. Hallelujah to the process. Whatever it is.
Keep still.
Well, here. I'm going to take some.
There we are.
Yay! Mwah. Okay, let's see here. We've got everything. Oh, look at this beautiful neighborhood. Isn't this amazing?
Sure it is.
Wow, it is. There's our neighbors, the Perrys, and there's our neighbors who we met yesterday and took some food or some cookies to. What's her name?
Is it George or Greg?
I can't remember. Greg somebody. Anyway.
Anderson?
I don't know. But I hope this all took. Hope I figured out how to do this again.
It looks like it.
Oh! What a beautiful snow. What a beautiful Joel.
In Kansas City. This is the first time since I've been here that they've called this a blizzard.
Really? This is their first blizzard?
Well, it's the first time they've ever called it a blizzard.
Oh, well, this isn't a very bad blizzard, though.
Oh, not yet.
Nah.
Worse, though, tomorrow.
Maybe. We don't know. Today, we were going to go down.
We did.
The whole family was going to go to Emporia, and then the weather seemed like we shouldn't do that. So just Joel and Angie and I went. And it was kind of hairy a few times. Saw lots of folks by the side of the road. This is dry snow. It's not going to create a snow. Oh, it sort of created a snowball.
Not much of one.
Not much of fun.
The wind.
Ooh, yeah, hear the wind? Woo! It's a great wind.
Yeah.
Wind from Winnetka.
There's our little humble abode.
And so then we came back, and Allie and Brian and Bob, their dad, and the little boys and Alex, we all had a great dinner, and then opened presents, and then played this funny game.
And for you
watched Christmas Vacation.
For you San Diegans, it's 15 degrees out here.
15 degrees?
Not that bad. And the wind's blowing, too.
Yeah, the wind's blowing.
And it's not that bad.
And we're not very crazy.
We ain't staying long.
No, we're not, but we could, because if we only had heavier gloves and something over our face, we could stay out here longer.
Yep, we could.
Anyway, Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas,